How to download the Budget app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Budget app. If you've not downloaded it, you can simply go to Play Store, search Budget Rental Car, and you will find all these apps. Download from here. And if you don't find one, you can go to Chrome and type in Budget Rental Car app. Scroll down, you'll find the official Play Store Budget Car Rental. Click on it. Then you can press on install in here and download the app. It is not available in my region. It may be available in your region. You can download from here. And this is how to download the Budget app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.